I've been very fortunate in my career to be able to do a wide variety of building types. Shop is really not known for one particular type of building, and that's what keeps it interesting. It keeps it fresh. You're constantly having to reinvestigate and relearn how certain kinds of projects come together. But as far as a project that I haven't done yet, I really like sports. So, we did the Barclays Center, which was a great project, but I'd love to really kind of keep pushing the typology of a stadium, and something that really becomes a kind of urban engine, something that has offices and housing and hotels and parks, and a stadium that is actually a city in and of itself would be a kind of fantastic project for me.